Where do I even start? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still me, Bethel Osiki, and in today's video I am decluttering my closet. I actually just realized I forgot to shoot a before of what the closet looked like, but just imagine all these clothes in a tiny closet space. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm trying to get rid of 90% of my clothes, to be honest, because first of all, I do not wear them. Second of all, my style changed, and third of all, because I've had these clothes for like almost 3 years, but wearing clothes I don't like really makes me sad. It's a weird psychological thing that happens to me. But at this point, I want to get rid of them, so I'll be getting rid of them. I'll be giving them to Goodwill or some thrift store or whatever, or I'll be handing them down. So I'm going to divide all these into multiple piles and just get rid of 90% of those. And I'm also getting rid of half of them because I want to get rid of my dresser. I don't like the idea of a room to dresser anymore. I've outgrown my dresser, I guess. So I want to make sure everything fits into my closet. Let's see the possibility of that. But hey, keep watching and let's see how I get rid of all these. Let me even give you guys a clearer tour on what this actually looks like from the top. So these are all the clothes I currently own. There should be like over 1,000 pieces of clothes here. Okay, maybe like 500, but these are all the clothes I own. It covered my bed and made this massive heap. So I'm going to get rid of 90% of them. Okay, so the first rule I'm setting for myself in getting rid of all this is, if I look at it once and I'm having second thoughts about it, I am definitely getting rid of it, because once I think again, I'll start imagining, okay, I could wear this to this place and I'm going to keep it. So once I'm having second thoughts about it, the first look, I'm getting rid of it. And that should basically guide my whole getting rid journey.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see
Shirts and jackets, and to be honest, these are my babies, so like they all gotta stay. I mean, I did get rid of some of them though, but they all gotta stay. So right now I'm just gonna fix this in my closet and try my best to colorize it.
I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Somehow I was able to get done with that part. So the next thing I'm going to do now is arrange all the clothes I've made on this rack. These are all the clothes I've made myself that I still currently have. If you want to see me try them on, click the link above to watch that video. I've been able to reduce the rack to this. I got rid of those. Yeah, and I've been able to reduce the rack to this. So I'm gonna fix this in the closet and come back to this big pile. Oh my gosh, it's already 3 p.m. and I'm so tired, but yeah, we'll get this done.
The point where our two pass the line, but you're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see brightly, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no.
All the dresses that will be staying, I have like 3 red dresses, 1 blue, 2 blacks. This is a dress shirt, and basically just every other thing there. Yeah, these will be staying. As you guys can see, the thing is going down. The next thing I'm going to try to sort out is skirts. Yeah, I'm going to try and sort out my skirts and just put them right here. and I won't be able to finish my room this night. Look behind me. So I sorted out the pants I wanted to keep, and then I threw the rest on the floor. So this is stuff I'm giving away, but I still have this much on my bed, and it's literally time to sleep. I'm not trying to stay awake and finish this, so I'll push the rest of the bed on the floor and sleep and wake up tomorrow and finish this. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's currently the next day and this is still the same way it was yesterday. I had to push stuff down the bed to sleep yesterday, but I just got back from Dollar Tree. I had to go buy hangers because I decided I'm not going to put anything in the dresser, because if I'm being realistic, I actually like never fold stuff. I never fold my laundry, so there's no point of even having a dresser at this point because I never have time to even fold clothes. So I think hanging is going to be a better solution, but let's see how that goes. So right now what I'm going to do is just put these ones in the closet and then start hanging out my tops and bottoms into different hangers to put them in the closet.
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad.
Okay, so I'm almost done, but I ran out of hangers again. At this point I'm very tired. What I'm doing is I'm just going through them again and see which ones I really do not want, and I'm just adding them to the big pile of clothes that like right here, which I'll show you guys in a bit. It's a lot I'm giving away. At this point I'm even scared. I'll be giving stuff actually like so now I just need to fix this in the closet and see if there's actually more space for more. If not, these ones I might have to say bye-bye to. Okay guys, so this is what my closet looks like. On this side I actually colorized it, so it goes from white, gray, black, blue, red. So these are all my sweatshirts and like all my jackets and everything. Then I have pants on this side and just some random stuff on the other side. Then now to this side I have my dresses, the ones I made myself, which I posted the video, and then just tops. So this is basically all the clothes I own at this point in my life. Oh, right here I just threw some bikinis in, just random stuff I'm not going to wear every day, and the underwears too. Then these are my hats and head ties. I didn't touch that part. I'll probably do some other time. Those are my socks, and then the last part you can see like my beddings and stuff. I have shoes in both boxes here, which is going to be in an entirely different video. But for now, these are all the clothes I currently own. I think I did a good job. Okay, so now let's actually come to this side of the room. So now these are the ones I'll be getting rid of. So the next thing you guys are going to see me do is put these in different piles. So piles of I'm handing this down, I might sell on Poshmark, and I'm giving this away. So let's see how that goes. What else? Oh, by the way, my dresser is completely empty right now. The only thing is that I put some random stuff in here, like stuff I wear to work and everything. But every other drawer is look, see this stupid thing. But every other one is empty. So this is actually for real all the clothes I own right now. And there's still a lot, if I'm being honest. But let's split this into their various categories.
When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't want to lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me hard.
Okay, so I'm done clearing everything finally after 2 days. So these 2 bags, oh, the lighting is horrible from this side. Let me turn back here. So these 2 bags are going to be handed down. So they are most of the clothes I've made. I decided I didn't want to sell them anymore, so I'll give them to maybe my siblings or something. If they don't want it, then I either give it away to Goodwill or sell it. I'll decide when the time comes. But this one is going to a thrift store or those roadside donation thingies. And these ones are the few that I'll attempt to sell on my Poshmark store. All my clothes that I own in here right now, I mean apart from the ones that are for laundry, but this is basically all the clothes I own, and I still want to get rid of most of them. That's going to be next year though. I'm so happy I finally got to do this, because I've been postponing it for like over a month. Thank you guys so much for watching this video up to this point. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're going to actually clear out your closet too, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you liked about this video. And I'll see you guys on my next post. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.